So, back at it again. I got a new logo. So, my brother made that for me. Um, Hopefully, make a hat out of it, or at least I ordered one. See if it gets here in time, which it probably won't. But let me know what you think. If you think it's a good logo or not. I had 2 weeks off for Christmas, and I focused on working on my algorithm, and I kept running into an issue with the way it worked. It was creating a pinch point, I guess, in the architecture or in the graph structure. It wasn't giving me a spread out connected graph like I wanted it to, and but it kept creating this pinch point. That's why the circle shape keeps forming. There might be a solution to it, but thinking about it, I ended up going a different route. The input side's the algorithm for the input side is still working the way I want it to. Um, but introducing the output side gave me this behavior that, I mean, it was actually creating a helix for a little while, but I was able to get it to stop doing that. But the other issue is I'm constantly dealing with the search algorithm and the data structure instead of the actual learning algorithm. So I'm spending a lot of time on that, on those two aspects instead of focusing on the important part. Granted, one can say that the search algorithm is important, so is the data structure. I mean, both of those are important, but thinking about it and struggling with the current approach, I ended up deciding to go with Unity, and this is the current solution or current functionality. Um, it's a little more chaotic, but you have your inputs, which are the light blue, with the activated inputs, which are like the orange color. And then we have the outputs, which are the yellow, with the desired or activated output, which is the red. And then all the blue balls are the neurons. And then the yellow gold color is an activated neuron. And it kind of wanders all over the place, which is an aspect I need to fix. And there's some errors that happen. It loops back on itself, and also sometimes it gets stuck because it's just kind of wandering all over the place. So, but this approach allows me to create significantly more functionality within a given neuron. A neural network approach, you have the sigmoid function and you have the averaging of the inputs. So it's a very simplistic approach from what a neuron does in a neural network. Where this, I've already added like 4 features that it's doing, and I'm planning on adding a lot more. So each neuron is doing a significantly large amount of work compared to a neural network. And if you actually look at a brain, an actual neuron, they say that the complexity is significantly more than what neural networks are capturing. Um, I can go into the details, but it's out there on the internet. Um, so it sort of works. Like I said, there's some issues, but through my testing, I actually seen a way for the algorithm to experiment with other outputs. So it can say, oh, well, does this output work and give me the result I'm expecting? I can see a path forward with that capability. And then also, like I said, the input side algorithm that I've been using, that I've been working with, still kind of conforms or exists in this approach. It's a little more obfuscated, um, but it emerges through the behavior that I've created. So that still exists. I need to work to scale this up. I mean, it's only 2 weeks. Technically, I've been working on this output side for 3 weeks. The week over Thanksgiving, I spent a significant amount of time on it. Um, and I estimated like 2 months. So 3 weeks in, still got a month and a week to go. Honestly, though, with this new approach, I'm thinking more like 6 to 8 months to get to a fully functional approach. I've increased the complexity significantly compared to the previous approach. So it's definitely going to take a lot longer. And that's, of course, if I'm working on it full time, which currently I'm not. And so maybe a year or two before I get this to a fully functional state. But yeah, this is the new direction, I guess. And I guess that's it. So, well, yeah, I guess that's it. So, uh, thanks for watching, and let me know if you have any questions, I guess. Try to answer them. I am being more vague with the algorithm. I mean, this is trying to build a company around it, so got to keep the information proprietary. But yeah, thanks for watching. Till next time.